This 2018 Forest River Rockwood Hardside A212HW is a pop-up RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 20 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, spare tire kit, oven, stove top burner, water heater, leveling jacks, LP detector, auxiliary battery, skylight, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Rockwood Hardside A212HW is 2,526 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.